This module introduces the ISA99 Committee on Security for Industrial Automation and Control Systems as the primary source of the ISA-IEC series of standards, and includes an overview of how the committee operates. Established in 2002 with a small handful of interested people, the committee has grown to a membership of over 1,000 people worldwide. These members come from virtually all industry sectors, although some are more heavily represented than others. The committee works closely with other organizations and committees, such as the International Electrotechnical Commission, the IEC Technical Committee 65, Working Group 10. The place to start is with an understanding of the committee's scope, which has remained essentially unchanged since the committee was formed. The ISA99 Committee addresses industrial automation and control systems, whose compromise could result in any or all of the following situations: endangerment of public or employee safety, negative impact on performance in the areas of health and environment, loss of public confidence, violation of regulatory requirements, loss of proprietary or confidential information, economic loss, impact on national security. It was deliberately stated very broadly to provide a solid security context for a wide range of automation-related areas. This broad scope is a result of the deliberate decision made by ISA in 2002 to form a single committee to address cybersecurity, rather than to ask all other committees, existing and planned, to incorporate cybersecurity into their respective subjects. These other committees can tap into the knowledge of established cybersecurity experts, instead of requiring their members to become mini-experts on what is often a very specialized and arcane subject. The scope is based primarily on an analysis of potential consequences, as shown here. Cybersecurity failures are not the only potential source of these consequences, but they may be the least understood in the general engineering community. Let's spend a few minutes on the relationship between the ISA99 Committee and the committees and work groups of other standards development organizations, or SDOs. In addition to ISA, at least 2 other SDOs are interested in developing cybersecurity standards. The first of these is the IEC. When the ISA99 Committee was formed, there was an agreement between ISA and the IEC to cooperate on developing cybersecurity standards. The objective was to avoid creating duplicate committees in each organization. As a result of this agreement, the ISA99 Committee is charged with developing the majority of the standards and practices in the ISA-IEC 62443 series. These will be issued by ISA and numbered in this format: ISA-62443-X, the part number, -Y, the year approved. At the same time or shortly after, the intent is for the IEC to issue essentially the same standards with numbers in the form IEC 62443-X-Y. One standard in the series, so far, is being developed first by the IEC. The plan is for ISA to adopt it as an equivalent ISA 62443 standard. Finally, ISA99 is working closely with a joint technical committee from the International Standards Organization, ISO, and the IEC to ensure that our standards are consistent with the more general IT cybersecurity standards in the ISO 2700 series. These working partnerships can be complex, but the result is less duplication of effort and, ultimately, less confusion and more consistency for those who use the standards. In addition to the formal relationships between SDOs, the ISA99 Committee maintains liaison relationships with several other committees and groups within ISA and externally. As mentioned previously, ISA created a single committee to develop cybersecurity standards. This means that ISA99 must work closely with other ISA committees to ensure that their perspectives and needs are adequately addressed. For example, we have close relationships with ISA84, Process Safety, ISA95, Enterprise Integration, and ISA100, Wireless Communications. Within the Automation Federation, we work closely with the Industrial Security Compliance Institute, the ISCI, to ensure that the ISA Secure certification program remains consistent with the contents of our standards. Externally, we maintain relationships with groups such as the Industrial Control Systems Joint Working Group, the ICSJWG, and various sector-specific groups and government initiatives, such as the National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST framework for improving critical infrastructure cybersecurity. Finally, we maintain active relationships with the Industrial Internet Consortium, the IIC, concerning IIoT, the Industrial Internet of Things, and with the ISA Global Cybersecurity Alliance, the ISA-GCA, to promote communications with the industrial community. The size and complexity of the ISA99 committee can be daunting for many. The committee currently has 14 work groups, and each may have one or more task groups to help them develop material for the ISA IEC 62443 series. Each work group and/or task group may also be responsible for preparing an ISA publication, as indicated in this table. In addition to the publications produced by ISA 99, IEC Technical Committee 65, Work Group 10, is responsible for several documents in the ISA IEC 62443 series, including 62443-2-4.